Hello and welcome back to my computer, and today we're going to be talking about how to ideate using OneNote, in particular OneNote collaboration space. Okay, so once you have created a new section, you can then name it to whatever you want. Okay, and you can then start putting sections in. Okay, you are then going to, as a teacher, create a page. Okay, so I highly recommend that you create this page in the teacher only section first. Okay, so you can create whatever page you want and you can like copy and paste it. So clicking on copy and then clicking into collaboration space and then going on to teamwork and then putting it back in here. And you can click paste. That makes it so that you can make like pages, like you can build the page before they can even see it. Because bearing in mind, anything that you put in here, everyone can see. All right. And what they've done is they put everyone in teams. Yeah. And what you can do with this is you can then say to them, like, using the framework that you've given them, make a storyboard or answer a set of questions, or then they can like start using it to create and to generate their ideas. The positive about this is that everyone has a space, like everyone has a place where like the whole team can go to. But if they want to save their ideas to themselves, so say for instance Abigail is in team 4, what Abigail can do is she can copy the whole page and then she can go into her own section and she can paste it in to her own bit. So she has a copy of that work. Now that copy is not going to be linked to the collaboration space page, but it is just a copy just in case like people change stuff or like it gets accidentally deleted or something, like, you know, she's got a copy there. So it's kind of like taking a photo of a whiteboard that everyone's using. I hope you found that useful. Of course, if you are a Google educator or a Apple educator, then you can always use, like, you know, you can't use OneNote, but you can use other things like Padlet or like interactive whiteboards. However, I wanted to show you OneNote because it is like the Swiss Army knife of education and it's ideal for the ideate part of design thinking.